I designed Modest Middles to help me feel comfortable nursing in public. You nurse to give your baby the best. Let Modest Middles help you look great doing it.
I'm here with Dr. Kevin Ross. He's going to talk about how he helps babies with subluxations, especially newborns. So take it away, Dr. Ross.
All right. One of the things that you see with babies, when they are born naturally and they're not delivered but just allowed to be born, most of the time what I'm talking about you don't see. But what I encourage parents to do is get their babies checked, sorry, don't hold the baby's head, shortly after they are born to find out if there's anything that would be misaligned in their upper neck. And the reason is like this baby, normally the head should be upright. What happens if there is a misalignment in the neck, if the baby can't fix it, it will try to adapt to it and it'll tilt its head off to the side. The problem with that is what you would see is this baby, because it tilts, the head will favor one side. If the baby maintains its head tilted to the side, those are the babies that as they lay, they only put pressure on one side of their head and will create babies with the flat heads and eventually probably end up seeing the cranial helmets. The other issue why it matters for moms though so much with this is if there's a misalignment off to the side, the baby's head rotates to the side. That baby then will nurse to the side that it rotates easier, but when you go to put that baby to the opposite breast, it has to turn the head into the stress of that subluxation, and it won't like it, so it will turn its head away from that, and those are the babies that are stripping mother's nipples and tearing up the nipples and creating all the pain. So then moms will then say, well, the baby just likes one breast better than the other. And I always tell moms, they're the same. They look the same, they taste the same, they're all made of the same thing. A baby doesn't like one more than the other. They're not able to go to the breast because it's creating stress on their neck. As a chiropractor, then if you can help reduce that stress, it allows the baby to bring its head upright, allows the baby to turn its head both ways, and nursing becomes fantastic again.
Now, for moms that might be concerned about having a baby adjusted, and they've never been adjusted themselves, or they've certainly never had their baby adjusted, what could you show them or tell them to ease their mind that it's totally safe and healthy for a baby to be adjusted?
Absolutely. When a baby is born, there is pounds of force that is exerted on the structures of this baby. And especially if a baby's born in a hospital and they're using forceps or the vacuum extractors, they are putting a huge amount of stress, and a lot of times that baby's head is misplaced in there, so they're putting a mechanical stress on something that's not in the right position. That's pounds of force. Chiropractors adjust with ounces of directed pressure. So if you're worried about the force or what it's doing, you don't have to worry about hurting a baby because you're not putting this ton of force. A lot of times parents connect what they have had done with them with the chiropractor, these guys, putting this huge amount of force into it. And that doesn't happen with a baby. It's literally ounces of fingertip pressure or using an adjusting instrument that just provides a very directed small amount of force. It's very gentle, it's very safe. There's absolutely no concerns with it at all.
Daughters will love like you do. Girls become lovers who turn into mothers. So mothers, be good to your